Good afternoon, everyone. Our topic for today is Amul and how it intertwines CSR with its strategy. Let's go over what CSR actually is. As we all know, CSR stands for Corporate Social Responsibility. It is a self regulating business model that helps a company be socially accountable to itself, its stakeholders, and the public. By practicing corporate social responsibility, companies can be conscious of the kind of impact they're having on all aspects of society, including economic, social, and environmental. By practicing corporate social responsibility, Amul not only caters to the environment by limiting the impact of their global offices and the civil society by acting ethically and responsibly, but also to the employees who gain talents like leadership and collaborative management, and the customers with whom they build long-term relationships. Talking about the company in question, well, Amul is a brand known to almost every Indian household. It is a dairy cooperative based at Anand in the state of Gujarat. Formed in 1946, it is a cooperative brand managed by the Gujarat Cooperative Milk Marketing Federation, which today is jointly owned by 36 lakh milk producers in Gujarat. It was originally created as a response to the exploitation of marginal milk producers by traders and agents in small cities. Amul was responsible for spurring India's White Revolution, which made the country the world's largest producer of milk and milk products.
So, starting with the CSR initiatives of Amul, Amul has always been at the forefront regarding its social responsibilities and have tried to make the society a better place to live in. The CSR initiatives taken by them are listed below as follows: Tribhuvandas Foundation, tree plantation, blood donation, dairy demonstration farm, Amul Scholar, rural sanitation program, Swan Jayanti Gram Swarozgar Yojana, and other activities as well. We'll be discussing each of them in the coming slides. So let's start with Tribhuvandas Foundation. It is an integrated rural health and development program of Amul, inspired by the great success of round-the-clock health services to the livestock of dairy farmers of Kaira. The founder chairman of Amul felt the need for such a service to the rural populace too, as he could learn and experience the afflictions brought to them by absence of medical services in rural villages of Kaira. The foundation derives its uniqueness from the fact that it is a need-based program for villagers and is run by the villagers themselves. It fulfills the basic healthcare needs of the villages. Apart from providing treatment for various common ailments, the foundation is also actively involved in promoting preventive healthcare practices. It is headquartered at Anand with its sub-centers spread over the district of Anand and Kheda. The foundation has also pioneered in large-scale implementation of the concept of safe delivery kit in India, ensuring a hygienic and safe delivery of a pregnant mother. The success of the initiative has been manifested by a drastic fall in neonatal tetanus and infant mortality. The foundation has achieved a drastic reduction in the percentage of low birth weight in Anand and Kheda districts, with birth of babies with below 2.5 kg just 11% at the end of the year 2009 and 10, while it is a near 30% in other parts of India and Gujarat. The second initiative taken by them is the Swan Jayanti Gram Swarozgar Yojana. The SGSY is a holistic self-employment program for the rural poor of India. The basic objective of the program is to bring below poverty line families above poverty line by providing them in generating assets to become self-employed. The purchase of these assets is facilitated through a mix of government subsidy and bank credit. Amul has covered under this program more than 8,000 beneficiaries to whom which animals were distributed in the district of Kheda and stood as guarantor for the bank loans. As part of this program, more than 12.5 thousand women and men were trained in dairy husbandry in addition to construction of number of cattle sheds, development of green fodder plots and stainless steel cans. Third initiative taken by Amul is the tree plantation initiative. Alarmed by the climate change and global warming, Amul took an oath on 15 August 2007 after the flag hoisting ceremony to plant a sapling and ensure that it grew into a tree. Then individually they planted a sapling on their own at their identified locations like their farm and near their home. This marked the beginning of a new silent revolution to bring a green carpet on Gujarat and India. The producer members of GCMMF have really set an example for all the cooperatives and other institutions to turn India green in the era of global warming and environmental crisis. When 3.6 million dairy farmers of Gujarat have planted 733 lakh trees in just 10 years and are planning to plant more trees every year, they are doing an invaluable, truly Amul service to the society. Another initiative taken by them is the blood donation drive, which has been started since 1987. Amul, in association with the Indian Red Cross Society, have encouraged and initiated humanitarian services to minimize, alleviate, and prevent human suffering at all time to contribute for humanity to peace. Similarly, blood donation camps are organized regularly in rural areas through village dairy cooperative societies. Similarly, camps are organized in Amul Dairy campus wherein employees and their family members join in donating blood. In addition, organizes donation of blood on emergency. Amul has actually made a trend in donating blood to the society. As part of Amul's continuous efforts to improve the socio-economic conditions and livelihood of dairy farmers, Amul has come out with various schemes to increase cattle holding per farmer, thereby increasing their income. A dairy demonstration farm has been set up at Moga to demonstrate scientific methods of dairy farming. The project encourages the farmers to use high-yielding animals and modern aids to increase milk production. The union provides technical support to milk producers on scientific animal husbandry practices and also facilitates loan disbursements from banks to the needy by guaranteeing the loan repayment on behalf of farmers. The dairy demonstration farm is generating overwhelming interest in milk producer members because of its success and viability. Another initiative taken by them is the Rural Sanitation Campaign. Amul Dairy has launched a novel scheme for total rural sanitation and set a target for itself whereby not a single milk producer will attend to nature's call in the open. The dairy, with the support of DRDA, will provide interest-free loans to its milk producers in Anand and Kheda districts to set up Pakka toilet blocks, which will not only help women will which will not only help women milk producers avoid embarrassment but will also ensure hygiene. Amul has also prepared a low-cost model that costs rupees 11,500 per unit. While DRDA will support this initiative through subsidies ranging between 4,500 and 4,600 for BPL families, Amul will provide its members an interest-free loan worth rupees 4,300 returnable in 4 years' time. A member can pay up this loan by getting rupees 100 per month deducted from his or her bill. This initiative was started by Amul to help the needy and the poor students be able to get a proper education for themselves. It has three different rewards under its name, which is Amul Scholarship. It is given to encourage outstanding children of farmers in pursuing higher studies. Amul introduced scholarship schemes in 1992. The children are given scholarship for pursuing diploma, graduation, post-graduation and doctorate. Every year, the outstanding children are identified from the villages and scholarships are provided to fulfill their dream of achieving academic excellence. This effort has motivated studious children to excel in their studies and spread education in rural areas. Amul Scholar Felicitation Program is there for outstanding children of employees who have secured the highest marks in 10th, 12th standards and gold medalists in graduation. There's also the third award, Amul Vidyashri and Vidya Bhushan. Amul's vision is to see an educated, talented, and strong youth in a developed India of the future and thereby contribute towards nation building. These awards recognize the academic brilliance of class 10th and 12th top merit rankers across India and the quality of education and guidance imparted by the schools they study in and thereby encourage the spirit of enlightenment among today's youth. Apart from these initiatives, Amul also take part in other charitable things as well and other activities as well. First of all, they promote women participation in dairy societies and dairy farming. Other than that, they promote equality by inclusion of people of every caste and stature in the cooperative societies. Also, sometimes when a natural calamity may occur, Amul has set up a Amul Relief Trust, which is there to donate amount for the betterment of the society, like it did in 2001 when a devastating earthquake hit Gujarat on 26 January. The epicenter of the quake was located in the Kutch district. So GCMMF formed a specific organization at that point of time with a with a goal to donate rupees 50 million for reconstruction of the school buildings damaged in the earthquake. The trust reconstructed 6 schools damaged by the earthquake and other buildings as well. The next few slides will be taken by Siddhi, and she will discuss the growth potential of Amul.
The impact of Amul's CSR activities can be seen in the movie Manthan. It has beautifully portrayed how Amul has been successful in fighting women oppression, caste discrimination, labor exploitation, and helped in protecting consumer interests. Now the question arises is that how Amul developed a strategic framework while incorporating CSR in its operations. For this, Amul has integrated CSR in various aspects of its business. First being CSR sensitive business philosophy. The business philosophy of Amul is twofold. One, to serve the interests of milk producers, and second, to provide quality products to consumers as value for money. The milk producers are paid for their milk in accordance with the market forces and realization of value for their produce. Invariably, the price paid to member producers in Gujarat is higher by 15% than the national average. Secondly, they have a CSR sensitive organizational structure. Amul is a 3-tier cooperative organization. The first tier is the cooperative society at the village, of which milk producers are members and democratically elect a 9-member managing committee. The second tier is the district cooperative that processes milk into milk products, markets locally, and sells the surplus to the state cooperative for national and international marketing. Third tier is the state level cooperative, that is GCMMF, responsible for national and international marketing of milk and milk products produced and sold to it. GCMMF knows that every function involves human intervention. It believes that technology and capital are replicable inputs but not the human capital. Since men are the basis of achieving the CSR, Amul lays emphasis on their development into competent, courteous, credible, reliable and responsive communicators and performers. Then we have CSR orientation to distributors and retailers. The GCMMF has identified that distributors and retailers are an important link in its vendor supply chain. They realized that it was a corporate social responsibility to strengthen the core business processes of its distributors so as to keep them in mainstream business and compete with those with formal training in management. For this, Amul has developed and trained all its distributors through value mission strategy workshops, competency building modules, Amul Yatra and Amul Quality Circle meetings. The next focus is on earnings of GCMMF. Nurturing its primary members, the milk producers, is the first mission of Amul. The discharge of this responsibility is reflected in the manner in which the organization conducts its business and shares its earnings. The milk from village cooperatives is purchased at an interim price, and during the fiscal, as GCMMF finds it possible to pay more to the producers for their produce, they pay them higher than the interim price. For the past many years, The net profit of Amul has been very low in comparison to the annual sales turnover, since most of the earnings is distributed in the producers themselves. Then, Amul focuses on the CSR oriented to staff. GCMMF hires and trains people to take advantage over its competitors. It has developed in-house modules for training and competence building to improve and upgrade their knowledge, communication skills to understand the customer, be responsive to customer requirements, and communicate clearly for troubleshooting of problems. Focusing on strategies, it is equally viable to see how Amul has succeeded over the last 75 years of its inception. First of all, Amul has been able to maintain its democratic structure at the grassroots level, with the management committee of the village level unit still being elected through fair processes in the majority of the villages. It has been instrumental in bridging the social divide of caste, creed, race, religion and language at the villages by offering open and voluntary membership. With around 3.6 million milk producer member families, Amul procures and processes 215.96 lakh liters of milk every day. It is the largest cooperative business of small producers with an annual turnover of Rs 52,000 crores, approximately $7 billion, as of the financial year 2019-20. Amul has been awarded with Best of All categories Rajiv Gandhi National Quality Award. It has the largest milk handling capacity in the world. With 61 sales offices, 10,000 wholesale distributors and 10 lakh retail outlets, Amul has the largest cold chain network as well. It is the largest exporter of milk and milk products, exporting to around 40 countries. Amul has also been the winner of APIDA Award by the government for excellence in exports of milk products for the 16 consecutive years. Amul is a great illustration of how CSR is equally valuable for a company as it is for the community. The activities have helped forge a stronger bond amongst all the concerned parties and helped Amul in achieving the heights of success. Thank you.